Corporate social responsibility is a business model where companies integrate social and environmental concerns into their operations and interactions with stakeholders. Often abbreviated as CSR, this framework shifts focus from pure profit toward a broader impact on society and the planet. Research shows that a significant portion of consumers now actively prefer to support organizations that align with their personal values. CSR is typically broken down into 4 main areas: environmental impact, fair labor standards, charitable donations, and community volunteer work. While traditional business models emphasize immediate shareholder wealth, CSR prioritizes long-term sustainable growth and value for all stakeholders. Over the last decade, we have seen a massive increase in the number of large companies publicly reporting their social responsibility activities. The core idea is that companies can achieve long-term success by genuinely contributing to the well-being of the world around them. Understanding these impacts can help you make more informed decisions as both a consumer and an investor. Thanks for watching.